Hi guys, my name is Rahul, and I am a like software engineer last I think 5 to 6 year, and I have worked on like many technology. So today we will discuss on like mainly web dev, front end. So like if you want to be a like web dev, like front end developer, so you should learn first of all JavaScript, right? So JavaScript, like first of all, I am sharing my screen. So let me know like if you see in my screen, please let me know. Is it visible? Hello,
No.
No, sir.
visible, right? Okay. So JavaScript a very important role, like it play a very important role in our web dev career. So like if you learn Angular, React, and anything, you first of all learn JavaScript. So first of all, today like we start a small like project on Angular. So like how many you know about Angular? Hello.
Ah,
कोई एंगुलर कभी अभी तक सीखा है किसी ने अभी तक? ओके वन ओके सॉरी 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 not allow learning screen one. Okay, now it's visible. Anybody who knows about like Angular?
Framework, JavaScript framework.
A JavaScript framework like you learn about Angular and React anything.
No, no, sir.
Okay. So first of all, like Angular is a JavaScript framework. So starting when Google developed Angular, so they started as a Angular 1.0. So it's a very old framework. After then they create other frameworks, and there are like lots of changes in other frameworks. Like after 1.3 version, so 1.3 से जितने भी पहले के जितने frameworks थे, so they are very different from nowadays framework, right? तो इस जो पहले वाले फ्रेमवर्क थे वो सारे अपने कंपोनेंट पे वर्क करते थे, कंट्रोलर पे, जो कि अपने एमवीसी जो भी फ्रेमवर्क होता था उस पे अपने वर्क करते थे। बट नाउअडेज जो अपने फ्रेमवर्क्स हैं वो सारे के सारे अपने कंपोनेंट बेस्ड फ्रेमवर्क्स होते हैं। सो लाइक इफ यू वांट टू लर्न एंगुलर, so first of all you need to learn JavaScript. After then you need to go to the Angular. So first of all we create one Angular project here. So first of all we need to install Node. After our system. So how do we know like Angular is installed on our system or not? So first of all, go to the our CMD controller. After then, here you need to check node minus V. So here it is show like which one version we are using here. And uh, uh, after then we need to check npm also. npm is a node package management system. जितने भी अपने सपोज कोई डिपेंडेंसी इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं या कोई अपन इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं तो वो सब अपने npm के थ्रू ही वो यहाँ पे पैकेज मैनेज होते हैं। तो वी नीड टू चेक दिस वन आल्सो एंड आफ्टर देन एंगुलर नो सॉरी राइट नाउ वी आर यूजिंग एंगुलर 17.3.6. So this is I think recently new launch this version. So this is a very different from old one Angular versions. So we have create a new project here. Yes. Check. So how we create a new project? So first of all, ng. This is the like initial we are using Angular here. Ng mean, and after then new for we are creating a new project. After then our project name. Suppose Angular login sign in. So right now we are not using any APIs. So we are using local storage here. So that's why we are using local. This is our project name. After then we add something standalone false. Yeah. So we'll ask some questions. So like if you want to use CSS, SASS, so these are types of CSS. So here we will use CSS, and after then you will ask some questions. No. So it will take some time. Yeah, done. So here you can check. So now we will open our. तो प्रोजेक्ट का अपने स्ट्रक्चर बनकर उसने तैयार कर दिया है जो जो अपने कमांड अभी यूज किया था। तो इसके अंदर अपने बहुत सारे ऑलरेडी कुछ फ़ोल्डर्स हैं, कुछ फाइल्स हैं। तो अभी सभी के बारे में अपन जानना इम्पॉसिबल है। सो वी विल जस्ट नोन अबाउट सम फ़ोल्डर्स। सो नोड अंडरस्कोर मॉड्यूल्स। तो इसके अंदर अपन जितने भी कोई पैकेजेस इंस्टॉल करते हैं या फिर अपन कोई फाइल डिपेंडेंसी इंस्टॉल करते हैं, वो सब अपने इसके अंदर रहता है। तो इफ यू वांट टू चेक, तो यू कैन चेक हियर। So we will install some dependency also here, like one is Bootstrap. So first of all, we will install Bootstrap here. So first of all, we open our terminal here and ng, not n, npm. So you can use install or you just write I. I means install, and after then bootstrap. So if you check again our node modules, so here you can see Bootstrap, right? After then there are some more files also there, but this is not important. So almost अपन को 90 to 80 लगभग 99% जो अपन को जो यूज करना पड़ता है वो अपन को सिर्फ यही फोल्डर यूज करना पड़ता है, SARC जितना भी कोड है वो अपन यहीं पे लिखेंगे. So first of all we launch our project here. So ng serve means like we will launch our project. So here it will give one link, copy and paste. I need this, not this. Okay, this is the first launch of our project. This is the, like, by default some content are showing here. So first of all we need to remove all the content.